My name is Andy Gill, and this is my wife.
Katie Gill.
We're the owners of Heirloom Cafe Provisions in Bailey's Harbor.
A lot of the menu is kind of comes from where we've traveled, where I've been, sort of heirloom, sort of the name comes from some recipes that I've taken from my family. We have breakfast tacos, which is kind of an ode to Austin, Texas. Just kind of flavorful, good food that is fresh and a little bit different than everything else. So the first thing is the breakfast bowl, which has been on the menu since the beginning. This week's is called a kimchi fried rice bowl, and we use the kimchi from Spirit Creek Farm, and then it's brown rice and riced cauliflower. We made homemade ginger sausage patties from Door Karma Farm, and then you get topped with a fried egg, and yeah, it's been a hit today, and it has been on sort of rotating on the menu. It probably pops up once a month. Next is the Shakshuka. Ours is a house spiced tomato sauce, so it's basically we roast some peppers, get some tomatoes in there, a bunch of different spices. The meat option is adding andouille, and then we basically get the sauce hot and fry an egg, put that in the sauce with the andouille, and then it's just like a really good dip the bread in the sauce with the egg yolk and everything. It's kind of a unique breakfast that you don't see. Next is the breakfast tacos. We're doing the taco bueno today, which is chorizo, potato, and cheese. And it's just a really nice sort of grab and go, on the go breakfast that's a little bit different. And then the last one is gonna be our Crunchy Noodle Salad, which is sort of a ginger cashew dressing mixed with fresh farm greens, kale, cabbage, carrots, soba noodles, and it's just like a really nice fresh light salad that is filling and delicious.